Multiplying expressions, they're very quick. All you do is you multiply the numbers with the numbers, and then you rewrite the letters. So 3 times 2 would be 6, and then you write the letter x. So over here, this would be 6xy, and then over here, this would give us 12s. What's happening is this. We have a little property called commutative property. And it allows you to take, if it's all multiplication, it allows you to take everything and just rearrange it. So if we put the 2 and the 3 together, you would get 6, and then you would just rewrite x and y. I mean, think about it. What's 2 times 3? 6. 3 times 2? 6. It doesn't matter how you multiply this stuff. If you had 2 times 3 times 5, you could go, oh, well, 2 times 5 is 10, so 3 times 10 is 30. You don't have to multiply from left to right and go 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 5 is 30. It's going to give you the same answer. So that's all we're doing. We're just taking the numbers and rearranging them to give us our actual answer, which is 12s. So I've got 2 little ones down here for you to try. So remember, all you're doing is multiplying the 2 numbers, and same rules apply. Negative times a negative is a positive, and then you're rewriting the letters. So give those 2 a shot. Remember, just do the numbers first, then the letters. Hit pause and give them a shot. And here's what you should have. So negative 3 times negative 2 is 6, and then it's xy. And then we have 5 times negative 2, which is negative 10. Negative 10 times negative 3 is 30, or that's 6 times 5, which is 30. And then we have RRS, and then r times r is r squared. And that's it. Alright, so let's put it all together now. We have some that look like pure multiplication, but they're not. So if you read this one, it's 5r, and then this is a plus sign, so you want to put and in there. It's where it basically separates. It's like a little comma. We got this one and this one. So you want to separate them. That's 5r. And then over here, it's minus times a minus, so that's 6. It's plus 6ys. You want to keep the and, because it's this term and that term. Alright? So what you have to do is see if you can figure out where the and is. Which is term 1, which is term 2 on each of these. So hit pause and guess. Or give an educated guess. But hit pause right now and try it. Let's see if you got them correct. So yeah, if you look at this as a negative 3x. That one's in parentheses, so it's a negative. That one's not. It's outside. It's actually between a lot of stuff. So this would make it into a minus. This is a minus sign. So that's where our and is. It's this one, and we're taking away this one. Same thing here. That one's outside. That one's inside. So this is our minus sign. It's not a negative 3. It's a minus. So it's this term minus this term. My s's look like 5s, don't they? So let's change that back into an s. And that's an s. And that's an s. There, it's a little better. And there you go. The reason you can't combine them is they're not like terms. 5r's plus 6ys's, not the same thing. 6xy's, take away 12s's. S's and xy's, not the same thing. And that's the same for the last one. So thank you for your time.